The faculty is from India
India.
and from Nepal.
And they know how to teach us basically. We have general hygiene, anatomy, histology, and embryology. It's very good. The food, the chef also.
So hello guys, this is Dr. Pyali Goswami from International Student Agency. So we are at Navoi Hostel. So this is a girls' hostel. So here we can see it's very clean and all. Totally, their girls are really very hygienic and they're maintaining it. So this is our first year student. This year only they took the admissions, and let's take the review from them itself. So hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Jannat.
So Jannat, can you tell me about the university? What you like, what was your expectation about the university?
When I first came here, my expectation was very high, and after seeing the university and the faculties, my my expectations met the
Met the original.
Yeah,
expectation.
original.
What she expected, she got that.
Yeah.
So what about now you were talking about the faculty.
Yeah.
So if you tell our viewers that what about the faculty? What is special about the faculty?
The faculty is our faculty is very experienced, and they know how to teach us basically. They teaching us from the core to the basics and everything. So we are learning very well, and also after this week they will do our practical classes also. So it is very good.
So one more thing is that there is, I think, in this university you have Uzbek teacher, the international teacher, like from India, Nepal.
International teacher.
Oh, the international, like the faculty is from India
India.
and from Nepal. So the accent, you don't have any problem with
Yeah, I don't have any issue with the accent.
whatever they're helpful.
Yeah, they're very helpful. They help us when we need them basically. And whenever we ask question, they give us time to, ask the question and do everything taking help from them. So it's a good thing.
Okay,
They're
so
very helpful.
they're very helpful. So we know that Navoi State Medical University is having helpful. Plus, they're having international teachers, which is like the teachers from India and Nepal, not only Uzbek teachers, so that they don't understand. Sometimes it happens they don't understand the accent or something. They may the pronunciation. So they are not having these kind of problem, and the teachers are very much helpful because they understand them and the study process back their homeland, and they make them understand likewise. So what about the study pattern? What subjects you have in your first year?
So we have general hygiene, anatomy, histology, and embryology, and another Uzbek language, history of Uzbekistan. Then we have physiology.
Okay, so all these subjects are any country's guidelines they are following. So all this is medicine subjects. So unlike other countries, they are having so many different subjects which is not related to medicine, but this is really related to medicine. So the first semester students are studying the medicine subjects only. So now, what about the country? When you came here, did you have any problem or?
No, the country is very peaceful and very clean. So after coming to the Uzbekistan, I thought there will be more like not like my country, a home feeling. But it is giving me the home feeling.
Yeah. So the thing is that they are very calm people.
Yeah,
they don't
calm
disturb.
people. They don't disturb us, but they're also very kind. They whenever they see new person, they greet us. Yeah.
Okay. And do you feel any kind of biasness in the country?
No.
Ragging?
No ragging,
Racism?
Racism, no bullying, nothing. It's too peace. I was afraid about the bullying and ragging, but when I come here, I was so happy.
Yeah. You feel safe here?
Yeah, I feel very safe. I think whenever we went outside, there's nothing that make me uncomfortable as a girl.
So till what time you people can go outside and it's safe?
8, like
anytime you go safe.
Yeah, anytime you can go safe. But hostel rules. There's a year.
So what time the hostel is closing?
10.
10. And now we are talking about the hostel. So the hostel, here is, you're getting like our home food, right?
Yeah, home food.
It's not Uzbekistani food,
No,
right?
it's Asian
Asian food.
Asian food.
So whatever you're getting in back there in home,
Yeah,
you're getting the same thing
thing
here.
in here.
How is the taste?
It's very good. The food, the chef. Also, whenever we complain about the food,
They change.
they change the chef and they try to make like
Best.
best.
Okay, one more thing is that what kind of food you get in the morning, afternoon, and evening?
Uh, in the morning, we get sometimes we get sandwich, sometimes we get egg and bread. Whatever we need, even though if the menu is different, if you have any preference, you can tell
He
the
will
chef.
bring,
Yeah, he will.
And what about the lunch?
The lunch is there is dal, dal bhat, and another potato,
okay,
potato
sabzi,
sabzi, yeah.
okay. And in the evening?
And the evening means you mean dinner.
Dinner.
So dinner is bhat and one egg or chicken.
Chicken every day they're giving?
Yeah,
Almost every day.
yeah, almost every day.
Okay.
And the Friday is basically the egg day. We call it egg day.
Okay, the Friday is
Yeah.
egg day. And what about the classes? What time the classes is starting?
As for now, we have classes from the 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. So we are just winding up with her. We took the real review from the student itself, and she gave a very good review, and we are really happy with that. So thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you.
All the best for your future.
Thank you.